My name is Bryce Julian. I'm the Outreach and Program Coordinator here at the Image Center, and our Poi Family Youth in Focus program is running Redo, a photography and collage workshop. The idea of the workshop is to get participants to explore materially a theme of their choosing and how they can reconstruct and deconstruct the meaning through different visual media.
My name is Rennie Taylor. I am a multidisciplinary artist. My role is to guide the participants through collage making in the ways that you can express it through technique, but also some kind of conceptual ideas of how to approach collage. My hope for the participants is that they come out feeling very confident with their collage artworks, that they have gained a new skill and insight into a new medium.
My name is Tiana. I'm a university student in my first year at TMU. I mostly do traditional art, painting, sculpting, all those things. During the process, I had a vision already in mind. I knew what I wanted. I just needed to find the materials and to put it all together. I really wanted colors and I really wanted to experiment with different papers, textures, mediums.
Hi, I'm Amelia. I'm a graphic design student at OCAD. I've sort of always been interested in different artistic mediums and just exploring a variety of media. The artwork that I made looks at the representation of women's bodies in a bunch of old magazines. I was just looking at sort of what that representation means and how it's sort of changed over the years.
My name is Ayan and I'm a first year student at the University of Toronto Scarborough. I usually like to just use all pastels and traditional art mediums. I made like a collage. It's called Never Enough. It's basically like a critique on modern day consumerism and how it's never enough for people because they always want more in life, no matter like how much they have.
Hi, my name is Aritra and I am a photography student at OCAD University. My topic of discussion here for my collage was racism and how common it is for Indian people. So I decided to take comments off of these Instagram reels, TikToks, and to basically public shame them.
So hi, my name is Michelle. I'm a multidisciplinary, interdisciplinary artist based here in Treaty 13, and I focus on identity, cultural reconnection, solidarity building. So the art was really to focus on relationships, what do they mean, and it comes back to when we're younger, you're coming from families that carry intergenerational trauma, you don't actually know what does the friendship mean? What is the relationship? What is the difference? What are the boundaries? And a lot of this piece was really exploring what that really means to me.
My name is William, and the intention behind my artwork is to shed light on the fact that there's not enough housing, both in the winter but also all year round. Some of the images I sourced were a mix of my own photos and photos from magazines and places that I've driven past, like when I'm on my way down to this program, or even places I've lived, or just regular places like parks.
I'm Talia. I'm a creative, so I do poetry, music, photography being a big one for me, which is why collage was my next logical step. I wanted to focus on fashion, but with more of a perspective of classism and how some people seem to be taking certain inspiration from certain folks, but they don't want to credit them for it. Some of the color photographs, they are bright, and it sort of draws your eye to it because that's kind of the first thing that you want to see as a viewer. In contrast to that, the black and white photos kind of showcase the things that you don't really want to see, the things that you are purposefully glossing over, but still very much exist in society. I had a lot of fun, and I think that it made me shift my perspective. I learned a lot in this program. I feel like every time that I was here, I was so engaged. The art form itself is such a critique. That's the beauty of it. Getting people to think is art. And I think collage is a perfect way of doing that.